Okay, so today I was sent in another product by the company Divoom. Now you may remember Divoom from two of my previous videos. They made that speaker, this one right here, and they also made that pixel art signboard which you can put in your car and whatnot and display graphics and all sorts of stuff. So this is their latest product and it's called the Pixoo Sling Bag. Basically going on their previous theme of having, you know, the pixel art on different things, this is actually a bag with pixel art on it. So this is definitely quite exciting. I quite like the idea. So how about we crack it open and see what's in the box. Now, I don't know if the packaging that I have is going to be the final one. I highly doubt it, because they're usually very good with their packaging. Obviously, I've got a pre-launch version, if you want to call it that. You know, because they haven't actually started shipping it yet. So I'm assuming when they do start shipping, it will be better presented in packaging. So do ignore the simple cardboard box. But this is the actual product. Now, wow. Holy moly. Is that a screen? That is insane. Yeah, that must be the screen, but I can't begin to describe the material they've used. It's kind of like a leathery type material, but it's hard, and you can tell it's got a screen probably underneath it, and then like this kind of leather sort of material stretched over it. Very, very nice material, I have to say. Quality-wise, this bag, very good quality. I mean, this is like the materials, they're nice and soft. It's got that fresh smell to it. Very cool. All right, how about we unstrap all these little things? Let's just, so you got the clip here. You know, obviously you can wear it how you like. And that clips on. Very nice, and it's a good quality clip. You know, you can really tug at it and it's gonna hold. Excellent, really nice. So let me just unclip that again. All right, so the bag, let's first check out as a bag. Let's just review it as a bag before we get into the whole pixel stuff. How good is it as a bag? So you can charge it via USB, so you can put a little power bank, whatever you want in there, and obviously that charges you know, the screen. So there's the USB cable to charge it. What else have you got in this bag? So another compartment. This is the main compartment. You also have a little, right, so you can put your keys. That's smart. So they give you this little fob type thing. Obviously you can put all your house keys, car keys, whatever you need. And then, you know, so you don't lose your keys, it actually clips onto a lanyard strapped in the bag. I quite like that, it's a neat idea. Inside, you have many different compartments. So you have a zip compartment right at the top here, where you can put, I don't know, certain things in, documents, papers, passport if you're traveling, whatever it might be. You have the main compartment, obviously, you know, nice and big to put all your everyday things. You have two little compartments here. I don't know, if you're female, maybe you want lipstick or something, or makeup, whatever it might be. You also have a zip at the back here. Again, opening up another compartment. You've got a little grab handle here. Lots of different storage spaces. Very nice as a bag. I've got to say, just as a bag, the materials and quality are very good. It's a shame, it's hard to translate over camera and over video, but just believe me when I say the materials on this bag used are very, very good. I mean, just the feel of them, the quality, you can feel it's got strength to it. It's like, it's very robust. It doesn't feel fragile. You would never think that there's actually something digital inbuilt into this bag, just because of how, you know, not fragile, how tough it is. And like, for example, the zip. When you unzip it, it's like a normal zip, right? But when you zip it back up, you can't actually see the zip line, right? It's covered by this sort of like whatever material it is. It's kind of like a leathery texture. I don't think it's real leather. I think it's faux leather, but it's kind of covered by this rubberized leather. Just, you know, just because it looks neater and it looks nicer and it's better quality, you know, to cover the zip. Again, you know, that kind of shows the level of detail. When I talk about the quality, you can instantly tell this is a quality bag. Right, so that's the bag out of the way. Let's actually test out its main feature, because at the end of the day, it is a bag, but its selling point is what happens here. I think as soon as it gets plugged in and charges up, it's going to be on all the time pretty much. That's my guess. And then it links up to the Divoom app, which we've used before many times. And then you just sync it up as normal. And from there you can display everything. So I think it's pretty self-explanatory and pretty easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it on charge, let it charge for, you know, half an hour or so, just enough so that we can actually run it through all its features. So see you in a second. Okay, so I had it plugged in on charge for quite a while. However, I don't believe that there's actually a battery in here. I believe that you have to have it on charge all the time, so you're going to need a power bank. This is obviously like a really small one, but you can get, you know, a bit bigger power bank, and I believe that the power bank's going to have to be connected at all times. And then you can just, you know, stick it in and then it will work. So what I'm going to do is get out the app. Okay, so let's plug it into the power bank. And there we go. As you can see, it boots up. And that I'm actually very impressed with. That's a very good screen. I mean, especially on a bag. Very impressive. You know, these are strong LED lights beside me. And it's got a good brightness to it. So let's hook it up, and straight away, as soon as you go to add a new device, it finds it and it's connected. So now we're connected to the app. Let's start doing stuff, and it's exactly the same as the other Divoom products. So, you know, you can do text editor. So for example, and there you go. Subscribe is now, and you know, you can do all the different Divoom art. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually screen record. So what we're going to do is go to the design tab. We can even take a picture. So how about we take a picture? So take a photo. I'm going to take a selfie. There we go. And there I am. A little pixel art design of my face on my bag. And, you know, I mean, the application is, you know, you've got endless amounts of different things you can do, all sorts of different designs. You can have the, obviously you can have things like, what do you call it, like the weather, the time, all sorts of different things. You can create your own little animation, which I actually, it's just amazing. You know, you can really be as creative as you like. Obviously there's loads of animations that other people have created within there. I mean, here's a little Donald Trump animation. You can have, you know, there's thousands and thousands of animations that people have made, and you know, you can really just go crazy. Here's Aladdin, you know, and you could just have it playing on whatever message, whatever text, whatever you like, whatever you can conceive of, you can have on this pixel art screen. And that's the beauty of it. And I really do think it's such a cool idea. It's quirky, you know, it's a good bag. It does what it does as a bag. And then you just got this added little benefit, you know. And if you don't need the screen, hell, like I said, it's still a very decent bag. So that is basically the Divoom Pixel Art Sling Bag. Now if I, you know, put it on, you can see, you know, obviously you can adjust the straps, something like that, yeah. You know, you can have all your stuff in there, nice and easy, nice and accessible. And yeah, you know, you've got your little little animation playing. It's a great little bag. I mean, it's definitely good for traveling. It's good for just everyday life, you know, and it's got something unique to it. So this product, the Divoom Sling Bag, the Pixoo Sling Bag by Divoom, is coming out on Kickstarter. 10th of November, I believe is their launch day. I will leave a link in the description below. Obviously, as this video comes out, it should already be live. Go ahead, pick one up if you like, support the company. They always make these quirky, cool projects that I really just find quite fascinating. And on top of that, I've got to say, the quality, I'm more impressed by the quality of the bag. I have to say, the bag, it's got such a good feel. And this is not a screen as such. It's got like a, you know, you can hear that. It's just fantastic how they built it. I gotta say, like, where is the screen? So cool. And all you need is a little power bank, you know, and there you go. Absolutely fantastic. And there you go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a few pictures of me wearing the bag. I'm gonna let you see it more, you know, in a better angle and a better view. And yeah, and I'll play some of those pictures now. So guys, that is about it. I do love what Divoom do. Really cool pixel art sling bag. Bag's top quality, I have to say. The bag is absolutely tremendous quality. Check them out on Kickstarter. The link will be in the description below. Go ahead, support the company. They always make some fantastic products. They've got a wide range of different things, you know, from Bluetooth speakers to that signboard, to all sorts of different cool, quirky pixel art products that are always very good quality. You know, the build quality is always what impresses me about this company. And their app is fantastic. I mean, there's endless amounts of stuff you can do. Really, if you're a creative person, you'd have no problem, you know, just bashing away for hours creating all sorts of cool stuff. Really good community spirit on there as well. You know, loads of people chipping in, creating all sorts of different cool animations and whatnot. And yeah, I gotta say, they're doing really well. Thumbs up to them. I really am impressed. Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed yet, go ahead, click that subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you never miss any of my new uploads. I've got a lot more stuff coming. I know I say that in every video, but I genuinely do. I've got a lot of cool, interesting stuff that I can't wait to dig into. But yeah, hit that subscribe button, leave a like, drop a comment, all that good stuff. Follow me on the socials, they're above here. And yeah, until next time guys, feed your mind.